Morning, everybody. Welcome to another installment of Lunch with Russ Bucket Valley. This will be number 6. We're preheating the oven right now to 350 degrees, and we're going to be making meatloaf today. So we get a large mixing bowl, and we mixed everything together. So this is what it looks like when it gets all together. So it's very simple to take and get to this point. So what you do is you start by putting 2 pounds of ground beef into the bowl, and then you put about a quarter cup of ketchup and a splash of barbecue sauce and a splash of liquid smoke. You chop up a quarter of an onion and 2 stalks of celery and just a little bit of garlic. Okay, and then you take that mixture in your bowl here and you mix that up with your hands, and then go ahead and form it into a loaf like. It makes it easier to slice when it's cooked. You go ahead and put it into the oven at 350 degrees and you cook it for 1 hour. The first portion of the time I will be covering it with foil so it doesn't take and burn the top. Okay, and then the second half of the time I will let it take and nicely brown the top. A good side dish to take and have with this is baked potatoes. So since your oven is already at 350 degrees, I'm going to be throwing a couple of potatoes in there, and we're going to cook those for about 50 minutes at 350. Our usual cooking for baked potatoes is generally an hour at 305. Okay, and you get a real nice consistency of the potatoes when you take and do that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and throw this in the oven, and it's a real easy dish. It takes about 10 minutes to prepare, if you don't include going to the store, getting all the stuff. So go ahead and give this a try out. This is the first time we've tried meatloaf in about 25 years. Okay, so good luck with your recipe, and thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.